What is up, everyone? Spice Q back with another YouTube video. I did change my name to Spice Q, and we are gonna do another Khan Academy video. And first video we did intro to multiplication. Now we're gonna do one-digit multiplication. So yeah, let's start. We have a more. Oh, yeah, actually, we're not gonna do this. That is a remember. So we are gonna resume this. So let's just do this. We're gonna do relate repeated addition to multiplication. And yeah, which expression equals 2 times 7? It's not gonna be 2 plus 7. I explained this in the past video I did for Khan Academy. It is actually gonna be 7 plus 7 because the multiplication sign is not gonna be a plus sign. It's timesing it. If you don't watch my second video, I'll put that in the link in the description. I'll also put Khan Academy in the link. And yeah. So it's 7 plus 7. Because 2 times 7 is like 7 repeating itself 2 times. The first time is the 7 as I highlighted. Then the second 7 is that. Carlos writes the expression 8 plus 8 plus 8 to show the number of chocolate chip cookies in 3 cookies. Write a multiplication expression to show the number of chocolate chip chips in 3 cookies. So an expression would be writing like 8 times 3 like that. So not just throwing it. Yeah. Okay. Back on it. Okay, this is good. So it's gonna be 8 times 3. This is not my keyboard. I didn't put times on my keyboard. There are like these bunch of options. Yeah. And as you can see, it is correct. I did put in that. We write 4 times 7 using repeated addition. Repeated addition, I think I didn't go over it in my past video, but repeated addition is like doing this. You have you just repeat the sentence, the expression sentence, and you technically use addition to do it. So do you see how there's like 4 times 7? You do 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 4 times. Like what? I did that. 7 plus 7. There are 2 7s, so I need to add a few more. This is 3, I have to add 1 more. And this is repeated addition. Repeated addition doesn't work like this. It works like this, but it can't be like this. 7, 8, 7, 8. You can't, like, it is repeating itself sometimes, but it won't work because it's not repeating the same number for the whole expression sentence. Now let's check it, and you can see it's correct. Complete equation. So they do. So if you don't understand this, you have to put the number here. So something times 5, and that has to equal all of these combined. So let's start counting with this. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Let's double check so we don't know if so it's not wrong. We have 1, 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. It is 35. They also did a good hint because we know it's 35. Something times 5 has to equal 35, and it's in the fives table. So that means 7 times 5 equals what? Wait, but you might think that it's 7 times 5. Well, let's check. Maybe you might be correct. 7 times 5. So let's count. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. You guys are correct. It is 35. Wait, no, 35 cents. But I'm pretty good. Let's check it. We have which that was correct, and this question is which express. No, I don't want that. Which expression equals 4 times 9? So it's choose one answer. So 9 4 times. This is not correct. This would be correct if you're doing 4 times 4. But this is correct because it's repeating 9 4 times. Zoe, the next question. Zoe writes the expression 6 plus 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 6 to show the number of spots on a ladybugs. If you want to do this, do this. Write a multiplication expression to show the number of spots on 8 ladybugs. So if you can know, you can do this instead. You don't have to add all of them. If you add all, like this question is hard, especially for me. So, let me get this question mark. But we can do this. You can auto video if you need help, or you can use hints. But if you use a hint, that question won't count because you used a hint. So we have to read the problem carefully. So let's do it. So if you don't know, these are 8 ladybugs and they did 6 8 times. So because you used your knowledge, that means it's gonna be 6 times 8 because they used 6 8 times. So it's 8. You can do 8 times 6 or 6 times 8. I'm just gonna do 8 times 6. Then we can check it. It is correct. We write 3 times 5 using repeated addition. We talked about repeated addition. You can back fast forward to that point. But repeated addition is technically repeating the same number for the whole expression sentence. So we have 3 5 times or 5 3 times. They only gave us 5, so we have to do 5 3 times. So now it'll be easy. You don't have to put too much. All you have to do is this. Then you check it. And yeah, we got it. This is gonna be the end of this Khan Academy video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.